Welcome to the Mind Detective channel. Today we're uncovering 10 Stoic secrets to attract the love you deserve. Stoicism isn't just about ancient wisdom, it's a powerful tool to transform your love life. Ready to discover how to use Stoicism to find love? Let's dive right in. 1. Cultivate inner peace. First up, cultivate inner peace. Stoicism teaches us to look within and master our emotions. When you find calm and stability inside, you become more attractive to others. Imagine facing challenges with a serene mindset. That inner tranquility will naturally draw people to you. 2. Focus on self-improvement. Next, focus on self-improvement. Stoicism emphasizes growing and bettering yourself. By recognizing your strengths and areas for growth, you become more appealing. It's not about changing who you are, but about becoming the best version of yourself. 3. Live in the present moment. Live in the present moment. Too often, we're caught up in past regrets or future worries. Stoicism advises us to cherish the now. When you're fully present in conversations, you build deeper connections and attract people who appreciate your attention. 4. Communicate with compassion. Communicate with compassion. Instead of judging or criticizing, listen with empathy. Stoicism teaches us to understand others' feelings and perspectives. Compassionate communication helps build strong, genuine relationships. 5. Maintain personal integrity. Maintain personal integrity. Being true to your values and principles is key. Stoic philosophy highlights the importance of living honestly and consistently. When you act with integrity, you attract others who value trust and authenticity. 6. Exercise gratitude. Exercise gratitude. Stoicism encourages us to appreciate what we have even in tough times. By focusing on the positives, you radiate positive energy, which makes you more attractive to others. Gratitude helps maintain a happy and balanced mindset. 7. Practice humility. Practice humility. Stoicism teaches us to have a balanced view of ourselves. Being humble makes you approachable and likable. It allows you to connect with others on a deeper level without arrogance or boasting. 8. Understand and apply the dichotomy of control. Understand and apply the dichotomy of control. Stoicism tells us that we can control our actions, but not others' thoughts or actions. By focusing on what you can control, you remain calm and confident, which is very attractive. 9. Appreciate the contrast. Appreciate the contrast. Every person is unique, and Stoicism teaches us to value these differences. By embracing what makes others different, you build stronger connections and create relationships that are genuine and lasting. 10. Seek wisdom. Lastly, seek wisdom. Stoicism isn't just about knowledge, it's about growing emotionally and spiritually. A wise person is interesting and inspiring. When you pursue wisdom, you attract others who are also interested in personal growth and meaningful connections. Thank you for watching. We hope these Stoic secrets for finding true love help you in your journey. Remember, Stoicism for better love and relationships isn't just about theory. It's about applying these principles to improve your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more insights. Comment below with your thoughts on how Stoicism can help you find true love. Until next time, stay curious and keep growing.